So, we finished just now test water and glycol test of this nice Klimaveneta unit. This is type NEX and the model is 3218. This is 750 kilowatts and it has inside, as you see, 8 scroll compressors. It has aluminum cuprum condenser and for sure shell and tube heat exchanger. So, during the test we understand that one circuit works not good and something goes wrong. We thought that the problem is in expansion valve because it don't want to open, and if really to change the expansion valve it's quite a lot of cost and some big problem. But the diagnostic told a completely different story. After checking the sensors and signal wiring, we discovered that the problem was much smaller. A damage was in a suction pressure sensor. This is it. The problem was that a controller gets not correct data, and so it looks like it was overheating, and that's why expansion valve doesn't want to open, and it was the reason, it was the problem. So after we change everything, this sensor, everything goes well, and the chiller now works perfect. So sometimes problem is not in this place where you are thinking, and that's why it's very important to do water or glycol test to understand all the things that can happen in chiller and what can happen during working process in a production. And so that's why it's better to make a test here in our production in our warehouse to be sure that in future everything will work perfect and the chiller will not have any problems. Stay with us and buy chillers in Evroprom.